This is You Can Change Vegan. Hello, I'm Matt. Today we're making teriyaki tofu. Let's start by cubing the tofu. Add it to a bowl, along with the corn flour. Give it all a toss to coat the tofu evenly. Now oven bake or air fry the tofu at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, shaking halfway through the cooking time. A tip to make the tofu extra crispy is to spray over a little bit of oil. This is optional if you want to keep it oil-free. Meanwhile, prepare and cook some rice and broccoli. Now we make the sauce. In a large fry pan over medium heat, add the minced garlic and grated ginger. Cook while stirring for 1 minute. This sauce has a great balance of salty, sweet and sour. For the saltiness, add soy sauce. For sweetness, brown sugar. And white vinegar for sourness. Now stir to combine. To thicken the sauce, make a cornflour slurry with corn flour and water. Give that all a stir and then add it into the sauce. Stir that through and it'll begin to thicken the sauce as it heats up. Our sauce is now nice and thick and glossy. So let's check on the tofu. It's super crispy. Add it to the sauce and then quickly stir to coat. To serve, add the rice, teriyaki tofu and broccoli to a bowl and finish with sesame seeds. Let's have a taste. That's really nice. Thanks everyone for watching and thanks to all of my subscribers. More vegan recipe videos linked here.